What if I told you that earning more money could actually make you poorer? Sounds crazy, right? But it happens to almost everyone. Nearly 70% of people in their 20s are living paycheck to paycheck. Not because they don't earn enough, but because of one mistake. A mistake so sneaky that you probably don't even know you're making it. Today, we're going to expose this mistake. We'll show you exactly how it works, and more importantly, we'll show you how to beat it. Because the person who fixes this at 25 will be unrecognizable by 40. Meet Alex. Alex just turned 23, and today, Alex got their first real job. You know that feeling? Fresh out of school, first real paycheck coming. Everything feels possible. Alex's starting salary, $50,000 a year, not bad at all. The first paycheck hits, and suddenly, Alex feels rich. I mean, compared to being a broke student, this feels like winning the lottery. And here's where something very interesting happens in Alex's brain. Something that happens in almost every 20-something's brain. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it sounds fancy, but it's actually very simple. You earn more, so you spend more. New apartment? Sure, you can afford it now. Fancy coffee every day? Why not? New phone? You deserve it. There's nothing wrong with any of these things, one by one, but together they start a chain reaction. Here's the sneaky part. Alex doesn't feel poor. Alex feels normal because everyone around Alex is doing the same thing. Friends are posting vacations, colleagues have new cars, Instagram makes it all look easy. So Alex keeps spending. Not because Alex is greedy, not because Alex is careless, but because Alex doesn't know the rule that separates the people who build wealth from the people who chase it forever. Alex doesn't know it yet, but time is running out. Fast forward 2 years. Alex is 25 now. Salary went up, $60,000 now. But something weird happened. Alex is more stressed about money than before. How is that possible? More money but more stress? It's because of the vine, the silent killer of financial freedom. Every raise Alex got went straight into the lifestyle. And it's not just Alex's fault. There's a machine working against you in your 20s. Social media, friends upgrading, weddings you have to attend, group trips you can't say no to. Every yes costs money, and every no feels like you're missing out, so you say yes again and again, and then the credit cards come. At first, they feel like free money. Buy now, pay later. No problem, right? Wrong. Credit card interest is like a leak in a boat. You don't notice it at first, but eventually you're sinking and you're using both hands just to bail out water instead of rowing forward. 5 years in, Alex earns $75,000 a year. Sounds good on paper, but Alex's net worth? Negative $12,000. That means if Alex stopped working today, Alex owes more than they own. This is the moment most people never talk about, the quiet panic of earning a good salary, but having nothing to show for it. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Alex has a friend, Jamie, same age, same starting salary, same opportunities, but Jamie did one thing differently and it changes everything. Jamie didn't earn more. Jamie didn't have a better job. Jamie just understood something Alex didn't, and that something is the most powerful force in finance. It's not luck, it's not genius. It's a simple math trick that works whether you make $30,000 or $300,000. Compound interest. You've probably heard the term, but let me explain it like you're 5. Imagine you put a snowball at the top of a hill. You give it a little push. At first, it's small, it rolls slowly. Nothing exciting, but as it rolls it picks up more snow. And that snow picks up more snow. By the time it reaches the bottom, it's enormous. That's what your money does when you invest it early. Here's the math, keep it simple. If Alex starts investing $200 a month at age 30, by age 60, Alex will have about $200,000. Not bad, right? But Jamie started at 23, same $200 a month. By age 60, Jamie has over $500,000. Same money in, same effort, different result, all because of 7 years. 7 years of letting the snowball roll. So what did Alex do? Alex didn't get a raise. Alex didn't win the lottery. Alex just did something simple. Alex froze the lifestyle. When the next raise came, Alex didn't upgrade the apartment, didn't buy the new car. Alex kept living like before and invested the difference, just $200 a month. The cost of a few dinners out and And that tiny decision, that was the moment everything changed. Not because $200 is a lot, but because time started working for Alex instead of against them. So here's the lesson. 3 simple rules. Rule 1, spend less than you earn. Not way less, just less. Rule 2, invest the difference. Doesn't have to be stocks, doesn't have to be complicated. Just make your money work while you sleep. Rule 3, start now, not next year, not when you have more, now, because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time? Today. Your 20s are not about being rich. They're about building the habits that make you rich later. The mistake isn't spending money, the mistake is spending all of it and giving your future self nothing. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. If this video helped you see your money differently, hit that subscribe button. We break down money in simple words every single week. No jargon, no confusion, just clear ideas that actually work. Share this with someone in their 20s who needs to hear it. You might just change their life. See you next time.